Here I am in my car again. Always doing lives in my car, my favorite place. Hope everybody's having a wonderful day. What is it, Wednesday? I don't know. I need to start like looking at a calendar every day or something. As you jump on, say hey, please share this live. I have an important message for you guys today. It's a beautiful, bright, sunny day out here. So as you jump on, please share this live. Say hello. I'm going to talk to you guys today about handouts. A lot of the time, I've had a lot of people come to me wanting to join me because they see that they can make really good money with what I'm doing. They want to partner with me. They want me to train them. Hey, how's it going, girl? Hope you're having a good day. They want me to train them. You know, those of you that know or don't know, to join my company and to get started with your training and all that, it's just $40, right? It's a business. All businesses require investment. So what I've run into several times is people saying, well, I don't have the money. Will you help me? So they're asking me, will you pay for my $40 startup fee? Hey, Isabel, I haven't seen you in a while or talked to you. Oh my goodness, thank you. Thank you so much. I was just saving money. Hey, it's okay. You're doing what you gotta do, girl. That's okay. And if I took my glasses off, you'd be like, ah! You'd see my tiredness. So, thank you for the compliment. Anyway, so a lot of the time, and Isabel, this is not you. You are not like this. But a lot of people will be like, hey, oh, as you jump on, guys, please share this live and say hello. People will come to me and be like, you know, I want to join. I really want to make this money. I want a better life for myself. Like, they tell me they want it so bad. And then they ask me to pay their $40 to get started, right? And I understand, like, if you don't have the money, like, it happens, like, we've all been there. However, guys, if you yourself are not able to come up with the $40 to get started with your business, that really sends me a message. That tells me that you don't want it so badly as much as you've been telling me you want it, because you're wanting me just to give you a handout. Now, not that hey, the fair's in town. Oh, that's cool. That gives me something to take the kids. Like, there's not a lot to do here, so we can go to the fair later, get a caramel apple. Sorry, random thought. Hey, Jennifer. So that is telling me, guys, that you really don't want it as bad as you say you do. You say you're willing to go hard. You're willing to do this. You want to turn your life around, but then you're asking me to pay your $40. Guys, I've been there too. Like, we all struggle. Right? But if you really want it, like, you will figure out a way to come up with the 40, whether you have to save a little bit of money from each paycheck, whether you're going to sell some old things. Like, it's $40, guys. That really doesn't take long to add up. It doesn't. Whether you cut back on getting your nails done, your hair done, and I'm still talking weird with my hand. Like, it's just, I can't hold it right. I got not really attacked by a cat, but I saved a cat and I injured my hand in the process. So it's like weird. So don't think I'm weird. But anyways, I am kind of weird. But, there's always a way to come up with that $40. And if you really want it, like, you will do it. Like, I'm not here to give you handouts to do this stuff for you, you know, because how is that going to make you a better person? I'm here to empower you. I'm here to lift you up. I'm here to make you a better person. I want you to be successful. But if you're going to start your business off by having somebody, the person that is going to train you, have them pay you pay your money in, you know, your membership fee, that's not a very good start, right? I mean, you're already starting off kind of being lazy. That's not showing me that you really want it. Hey guys, as you jump on, please say hello and please share this live. I want to work with people who really want this, and I can tell who really wants this because they will get that $40. Like I said, whether they need to maybe cancel Netflix for the month, don't eat out, don't get your nails done that week or your hair done that week. There's always something you can cut back on, maybe that you don't really need. Okay, what is a necessity and what is a want? There's, what's a want, what's a necessity? Cut back on those things that you just want, that's not a necessity. To spend your 40, I'm not going to say spend it. Oh, thank you. Thank you. Yes, I'm loving the green. It was definitely a change. When I was a teacher, I always wanted to dye my hair, but I'm like, that doesn't look professional. So now I'm just working from home. So I'm like, hey, it just dawned on me the other day. I'm like, I can color my hair. I'm going to color my hair. Anyways, guys, so, oh gosh, I just lost my train of thought. Isabel, thank you for your compliment. My day is going great. How is your day going? I hope it's going well. Guys, you can do it. Like, you just got to cut back on those desires. And sometimes and I'm not saying this, it just depends on your situation. But sometimes maybe you could pay a bill that's not like extreme. Maybe you could pay it a little bit later in order to pay. Like I've done that before, because if you invest the $40, you're going to get a return. You're going to get $80 back the first referral you make. So that's twice your money. So you've got to start somewhere to get you to where you want to be. Even if you got to make a cutback, even if you got to pay one of your bills that's not so that you can pay a little late, pay it a little late. Guys, you can even donate plasma. Have you heard of that? I'm sorry you're not having a good day. I hope it gets better. I didn't really have a great day yesterday, honestly. I did my live, and I think you could tell in my voice that but I still wanted to get my live done, and I still had a message, but we all have those days, and I hope you feel better. Just do what you need to do for yourself mentally, and then, just get back on it, okay? I hope you feel better. But did you guys know that you can always donate plasma? Like, you can donate plasma multiple times because your body regenerates it. I don't know how much you get, like 30, 40 bucks to do that, 50 bucks? I don't know. I mean, come on, people. There's always a way. Maybe donating plasma sounds extreme, but I don't know. It's just like donating blood. I mean, how bad do you want it? Hey, as you jump on, please share this live. Thank you. Say hello. I appreciate those of you that are on. But I'm not here to give you handouts, guys. If I give you handouts and I pay that, I'm already sending you a message that I'm going to be doing this for you. Like, I cannot run your business for you. Like, I'm going to provide you the tools and the training, but I cannot. You've got to be the one that's going to succeed. Like, you have to do it. And what kind of message am I sending you, and what kind of way are you starting your business if I pay your $40 membership fee? You got to show me you want it, guys. You got to show me you want it. And working from home, like, what I do is simple. I post ads on social media. It is so simple. But the hard work, here's the hard work. It's in keeping yourself motivated, okay? Because you are your own boss. You've got to decide, I'm going to post my ads today. Or I might make a YouTube video today. Or I might do a Facebook Live today. Or you've got to decide. Like, some days, like, you're not going to feel it. Like, you're going to feel like crap. And you're not going to want to do it. That's what's hard, okay? Is self-motivation. And when you can show me that you really want it, like, if you don't have that 40 bucks to get started and you can find a way, that right there is showing me that you really want this. That's the way to start your business off. Don't ever start joining something and asking the person that's going to train you to pay your way, guys. No. Hey, thank you. I know, I'm always driving. This is the best time for me to do my lives. Like, it is. Otherwise, my kids are, if I'm at home or something, like, I've got my baby in my arms, Connor's on my shoulder, wanting something. It's just like, this is how I've got to do it every day. So usually I'll try to find a way to leave my house and drive somewhere just so I could do my live. But anyways, guys, I'm here to empower you. Like, when you join with me, I'm not going to do the work for you. And so you have to Step up to the plate and show me that you want it. I mean, you have to. You have to show up for work, like work, even though it's such simple work. You have to show up every day. It is simple what I do. Posting ads, guys. I do Facebook Lives because I want to. It helps people to get to know me better, like and trust me. Like, I do YouTube videos because I want to. Like, I want to take my business to the next level. Sometimes there's things in life that you got to do that you might not necessarily want to, because you know it's for the best. So maybe it's a little hard for you to come up with that 40, but there's always a way to do it. There's always a way to do it. So please, guys, I'm not here to give handouts. I'm not. Please don't ask me to pay your way. Once you do, like, I've paid my way. There are homeless people, guys. Homeless people, this is true, that have paid their way in order to get started. And they are no longer living on the streets because of this opportunity. This can change your life. It's just, how bad do you want it? What can you cut back on? These people behind me are like, what is she doing? Who is she talking to? And why is she driving so slow? How bad do you want it? Are you willing to cut back on a few things in order to get that $40? Are you willing to donate plasma? Are you willing to sell something you don't need? Show me that you want it. Those are the people that I want to work for. Show me that you value yourself enough to work for this. Show me that you value yourself enough to invest $40 into your life. That's going to, seriously, you're going to turn a profit, guys. One referral and you have made 80 bucks. One referral. One. And you've doubled your money. You've made it back. It's a no-brainer. It is a no-brainer, guys. Let's do this, people. Let's do this. I'm serious. I am on the search. Like, there's people that I talk to that sign up that I can kind of tell sometimes. I'm like, I don't really know about them, but you got to give them a chance. And usually it turns out I'm right. And then there's other people that I sign up that I'm like, oh man, this girl's gonna kill. Like, she's just, and then yeah, they do. I mean, you can always just kind of tell by how a person talks, and just, you know, I always try to have a conversation with people. I like to get to know people. I want to have a relationship with you. I want to be there to support you. I'm not going to do this business for you. So I am not going to pay your $40 to join. I'm not going to do it. I'm not going to do it. We've all paid it, guys. Every single person that's in this company, that's working this business, we've all paid the 40. And if we didn't have that money, we came up with that money. We came up with it. There's always a way. How bad do you want it? How badly do you want to change your life? That's what I want to know. And that's what you can show me. Only your words mean nothing. Words mean nothing. It's your actions. Actions speak louder than words. How true is that saying? How true is that saying? Anyways, guys, I am looking for people. I'm looking for motivated individuals that want to change your life. I am looking for people that want to start being able to pay their bills, quit living paycheck to paycheck. I'm looking for mothers who want to stay home with their children. I'm looking for just motivated, driven individuals. Hey guys, as you jump on, please share this live. Say hello. Thank you so much for joining me today. Those are the people I want. I want the people that are driven, that are, you know, I say motivated. However, motivation only goes so far, because like I said earlier, you're going to have your down days where you don't want to do it. You don't have that motivation. So you got to have that discipline. You got to have that discipline. I want it bad, Missy. I know, so do I. Hey, Candace. So do I. And those are the people I'm looking for. So please, if you cannot come up with the 40, or if you're going to be asking me to pay your $40, then you're not a right fit for me. You're not a right fit for the people I'm looking for to join my team. I want those dedicated. I want the hard workers. I want those that are driven. I want those that are willing to do what they've got to do, to make some sacrifices in order to make a better life. This is easy, guys. This is the easiest work you will ever do. It's going to be the easiest way to make money you will ever find. It is. You post ads on social media. That's it. So who wants to join me? Who wants to start making money from their phone? Who wants to stay home with their kids? Who wants to quit their job? Who wants to be able to pay their bills? And who has that dedication? Who has that drive, that desire burning within you? I want you guys. Those are the people I want. This is a no-brainer, people. It is a no-brainer. Even if you're working a job, you can still do this. You could do this part-time. You could do it throughout your day, off and on. I mean, what a better way, and then work your way up to quitting that job. You got to start somewhere. There is no reason to be broke anymore. There's no reason to be struggling. When you can work from your phone online, there's no reason. So, if you guys want to join me, please share my video for others. If you want to make a better life for yourself, please comment below for info and we can get you going today. And you can receive a direct deposit next Friday. Start making some extra money. Get things to turn around for you. Turn things around, guys. It's possible, but it's all up to you. Nobody can do it for you, okay? I'm not going to hold your hand. I'm not going to pay your membership fee. I'm going to give you the tools. I'm going to empower you. I'm going to be there for you. But you've got to do the work. You've got to want it. Simple work. It's simple work. I don't know how else to stress that. Anyways, if you are interested, I want you, like if you're one of those people I talked about, I want you on my team. Please just let me know. We can get you started today, guys, and you can have a direct deposit next Friday. Okay? This is a no-brainer. Even if it's an $80 by next Friday, that's an extra $80 you didn't have. All from simply posting an ad on social media. So simple, guys. I'm gonna jump off so I can get home. I just kind of cruised around for a little bit so I could do my live before I went home to my kids. And I'm gonna go continue my day. I think I'm gonna do some house cleaning today. I started last night and I got tired, and I'm gonna get on it today. So, hope you guys have a wonderful day, and please, again, share my live. Please, please, please. If you know people that need this opportunity, tag some friends that want to start posting ads and getting paid, receiving direct deposit every Friday with a company that has been in business since 1926 and has an A+ rating at the Better Business Bureau. Join my team and I can train you, give you the tools that you need to succeed, but you've got to bring your A game. All right, have a great day, everyone.